to the Steuben County website. Here you can access our GIS information. Our GIS has information from various offices throughout the county. You can access it by clicking here for the GIS online. This will take you to a search function, view the map, or the citizen input. In this module, we'll be discussing a comparable search for properties. So first, we will search for a piece of property. Let's say we're doing a search on some property in a subdivision. We can select that subdivision and search on that. This will take us to the subdivision within the county. Here we can select on a piece of property and look at the property information. At any time, we can minimize the details by using the double arrows on the right hand side of the report tab. In this instance, we're going to do a comparison of this with other properties in the area. We use the Comp Search tab at the top of the page. Here is the information available for our property in red on the right. If we want to use that specific information, we need to check the box on the left. In this instance, we'll use the year built as a comparison, and if we would like to change these dates, we can change those to match our criteria. I'm going to leave these alone. We can also look at the finished space, the acreage, stories, the number of bedrooms, and the property class. This is in a residential platted subdivision, so we want to compare this to residential platted lots. We can look at our neighborhood. The neighborhood will narrow the property down within the subdivision. If we would like to look at other properties like this in, say, the same tax district, that will give us a broader range of properties, where the neighborhood would give us properties within a closer distance. Here I'm going to search on the criteria I have selected. This has given me all of the comparable search results for properties like my property that I had selected within the city of Angola. We can sort this by sale date or any of the other table heads at the top. We would click on it again. We can search by current sale date, where it will have the descending sale dates from current on down through. And here in yellow is our property that we have selected. This takes the sales information from the auditors and assessors data as it is entered into their database systems. To look at a property, we can always click on the property on that parcel ID, and it will take us to that individual piece of property. And again, you can either scroll down on the parcel report to view the map, or go to the map tab itself and view that property. Here you can see other properties that are selected that matched our results data. We can always zoom in or zoom out to view more of those selected parcels from our comp search results. Here, almost every property within this subdivision matches our comp search results. We can always go back and change our search criteria to narrow down our search. You can also print your results by using the print icon in the top left underneath the map tab. This will print your results of your search and your comparable search either by parcel ID, address, or sale price, depending on how you've sorted the data. You can sort any of the data on any of the fields by clicking on the field heading. This concludes the comparable search function of the Steuben County GIS website.